Hi everyone, welcome back to the Aprés official YouTube channel. We're super excited about our new collaboration with Yoko Matsuda coming to the United States on March 2nd. It's our first collaboration series coming out of Aprés Japan, and it's also our first look into something other than our usual clear tips. Today we're going to introduce you to our highly anticipated Beige Gel-X color tips. We've collaborated with ArtMe by Yoko Matsuda to bring to you her collection of color tips along with her Beige Gel-X Kit. This kit includes everything you need to do Gel-X: pH bonder, non-acidic gel primer, extend gel, glossy top coat, nail file, the x-lite, and your choice of color tips. Her initial collection features two different sets, the base color series and the vivid color series. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing you the base color tips. The base color set includes 5 different neutral colors that are most frequently used as base or foundation colors. There's a perfectly peachy nude, sheer nude, light pink, a more vibrant Barbie pink, and sheer white. Yoko's nude tips come in some of our most popular shapes, styles, and lengths, which include sculpted or natural stiletto medium, sculpted or natural stiletto long, sculpted or natural coffin medium, sculpted coffin long, sculpted or natural round medium, or sculpted or natural round short. Yoko's color tip work great as a translucent jelly color effect without needing to use gel polish. Or they work great as a base for other designs such as pink and whites, or used with air gel for quick and beautiful airbrush designs, or with your favorite nail art design products like foils or stickers. Today we'll be using our sculpted coffin long base color tips to show you how to properly apply them for best results. So let's get started. The most common reaction we get from people first seeing the color tips are, can you still use extend gel to apply them? Will the gel cure? Yes and yes. We designed the tips to be just the right amount of translucency so UV LED light can still penetrate through and cure the gel. The steps to applying these tips are pretty similar to applying clear Gel-X tips. Prep the client's nails as if you were going to do a gel manicure. Buff away the cuticles, push back the eponychium, clean off any dead skin, and prep the nail plate by doing a light buff to polish off the shine. The first step is to use the pH bonder to cleanse the nail of oil. Second is our non-acidic gel primer to allow best adhesion for the gel to your natural nail. Third step is to apply a base layer of extend gel onto the natural nail. Cure for 30 seconds, and during the curing of the entire hand, you can start to prep the tips. Make sure the shape of the base of the tip matches up to the curvature of the cuticle area. Since the tips have color and are not clear, if you were to etch the underside of the tip, you would be able to see the marks on the tips. Instead, we are going to use the acetone to alter the underside surface, and this will replace the etching and still give it maximum holding power. Notice how all of our tips now have a security mark of the Aprés logo to ensure you are buying authentic Aprés products. The number and logo mark will disappear after applying the acetone. Apply extend gel to the underside of the tip and apply at a 45-degree angle close to the eponychium but never touching the skin. Since gel polish will most likely not be used on top of this tip, since it already has color, you'll find that bubbles will seem more pronounced. Apply the tip properly to reduce the appearance of bubbles. And here's a pro tip. Don't swirl around your extend gel brush too much before applying the gel because that will add oxygen to the gel and create bubbles. As an added precaution, since the tips aren't totally clear, you can cure the full hand for a longer time, 60 seconds instead of the usual 30 seconds. If extend gel has seeped out underneath, you can clean it up by applying Aprés non-wipe top gel coat on the underside of the tip. Flip over your hand and cure for 30 seconds. File and shape as usual, and once you're done, wipe down the surface of the tip with acetone and apply a layer of glossy non-wipe top gel coat, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be posting more videos on nail art tutorials you can do over these color tips. We'll also be posting another video showcasing our vivid color series. We can't wait to see all of your nail art designs with these Beige Gel-X color tips. Be sure to share your work and tag us on your social media post with the hashtags Beige Gel-X and Aprés Art. Stay tuned for more Aprés content every week. Subscribe to our channel, and in the meantime, to view and purchase our products, please visit our website at www.apresnail.com. See you next week!